Welcome to MBA Case Study Insights, where we simplify real business stories and uncover the strategies behind the world's most iconic brands. Did you know Lego was once losing $1 million every single day? Then a 35-year-old CEO made bold decisions that saved the company and turned it into a global empire. Watch till the end to learn how Lego transformed near-bankruptcy into brilliance, and the valuable lessons you can apply to your own business journey. In 2003, the Lego Group was on the edge of collapse. A company once loved by millions was losing nearly $1 million every day. But within a decade, those tiny plastic bricks built one of the world's most profitable toy empires. This is how Lego lost its way and found its purpose again. Let's analyze from the beginning. It all began in a small workshop in Billund, Denmark. In 1932, a carpenter named Ole Kirk Christiansen started making wooden toys to survive the Great Depression. He called his company Lego from the Danish phrase "Læg godt," meaning play well. By the 1950s, Lego had replaced wood with plastic and introduced the now famous interlocking brick system, a revolution in creativity and play. Let me know in the comment section if you want us to continue with Lego's core strategy and key lessons for entrepreneurs and students. Subscribe for more MBA level insights, made simple only on MBA Case Study Insights.